Jena għanditi trawim nisrani, I mean like Roman Catholic, mhux hekk, allura inti mill-ewwel tibda hemm ċerta connection ma' xi ħaġa, ma you're not sure if it works for you or not, is it precise or not, but you're always aware, and then you go through, I went through a period of big rebellion, felt, atheist, man, there's nothing out there, there's nothing at all, forget it. And I was never like 100% there, I was just like 95% there, 90% there, so it's at 5%. But ġina opportunità u mort nagħmel l-Ayahuasca. Din hija mediċina mis-Sud Amerika, mill-Amazon, very ancient, primordial, u jiġi insomma tajt ma' xaman u tagħmel iċ-ċerimonja. And I was a bit scared because I knew it was something potent that could affect me, and so I had to be careful. Because the medicine is basically plant medicine from the Amazon, and you drink it and it gets you. Insomma, u tħaldi l-esperjenza u kelli l-esperjenza 3 tim verament intensivi. U li preparajt, mux kif għamil. Le, preparajt, sew, le, bro. Jek ħadqot titkellem fuq tispjegħalhom kif għamilt inti, le tispjega xejn. Le. No, this was
professionali.
No, da jiġi shaman mill-South America. He's the proper thing with music and there's with his people, and you have a proper ceremony, and it's beautiful, it's transforming, it's very serious. Il-preparament tagħha involvi ġimgħatej ta' sawm, you go vegan, not insum kompletament, imma you go vegan. You refrain from all vices, and I mean all vices, kompletament, the big 3, and you meditate as much as you can. And then you go there, and she treats you beautifully, and she's an incredible teacher. You don't prepare, and she punishes you. You won't enjoy it, it will be very grueling. It will still teach you, you'll still enjoy it, but through suffering rather than through joy. You know what I'm saying?
Interessanti.
It's very incredible. It is incredible.
Importanti li jismani kun qed jagħmilha xi professjonali.
Le, importanti. Għaxi
mhix xi ħaġa.
Lejx mhix xi ħaġa tal-lopi, it's not, we don't even call it a drug. It's not a party drug, it's a medicine, and it operates on your freaking soul, man. Or whatever you want to believe you have. So that's it.
Nemmen li aħna il-ġisem tagħna huwa l-antenna u l-moħħ tagħna huwa is-soul.
Yeah, maybe your whole body is the soul. Parts of,
Kif?
Your mind can't survive without the body, your body can't survive without the mind, probably. So they have to be together, so
in line.
Yeah, check. And that's when you're happy, when your mind and your body are in line. That's why you train, you eat healthy, you follow good paths, you think good thoughts, you take the right choice that you know is the cleaner choice. It's hard, it's very hard, but you try. And Ayahuasca shows you how and tells you you're not freaking alone, man. You know what? You're part of the universe.
The universe.
Yep. It's incredible. And it changes you.
Kellek xi esperjenza tal-paranormal jew xi ħaġa inspjegabbli jew inkella UFOs? Tixtieq taqsama magħna? Jekk iwa, ikkuntattjana fuq daw il-links li ħantukom.